Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do some keto Costco grocery shopping hauls. Coming up next. Woo! Hi guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I'm here with my good friend Rana Lee, and we're doing some Costco keto grocery haul shopping. Do you love Costco?
I do.
We love Costco. Our kids are here too. We're having a blast. But make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and let me show you all of my goodies. This is the jackpot find of the day because normally it is $8 for this. On Amazon it's like 16, so this is a great buy. Okay, Ronald, did you know that my favorite meat here is New York strip steak?
I had no idea.
It is the best. It is right here. Woo. These are the best because each steak's about $10 and you can put it in half, and so for 2 serving size, $10. It's a great, easy, cheap meal. I'm gonna get a whole pack of them and freeze them. I'll take them and parse them out and put them in freezer bags. So I'm gonna get a thing of scallops, get a thing of shrimp, and then I'm gonna go ahead and freeze these because I like to dip these in butter when I make them, and these I mix with an Alfredo. We will freeze a majority of this, and this is our basically a month's worth of meat in a package. So I'm gonna get some more chicken. We'll use this, the organic chicken breast, and I will use this in my Indian chicken dish that I have for crock pot, and then also put it in Alfredo sauce. So this is a good grab for 3 net carbs if you need a little quick snack to go. Getting some Brussels sprouts and a little bit of blueberries as well. My stock is low. Okay, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb here. I'm with my special helper. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Shira.
Shira is my amazing helper for my keto haul at Costco. Here's all my goodies. I'm so excited. So the first thing that we got was Kerrygold butter. I ran out. My stock was low. We'll probably go through in 1 week a whole brick of this, and then I have basically a month's supply worth. And this is all a month's supply worth of stuff. I got some heavy cream. This is great, and usually, typically, 1 tablespoon is 1 net carb. I also got some chicken breast, which I'm going to use for my Indian curry crock pot. I got some, what else did I get in here? Shrimp, and I'm going to freeze this into my half little freezer size bags, and I'll show you guys the end result with that. I got scallops, same thing. It's a huge quantity. This whole thing was $34. It's huge, so I will divide this up into 3 packages, which is basically $10 per meal, which is a great deal, right, Shira?
Yeah.
That's right. Shira understands the value of it. The next thing that I got in terms of meat was New York strip steak. Each steak is about $10. So what we do is a serving size. We make half of a serving size, so it's basically $5 per serving size. And then I will freeze the rest of them for our family. We don't use all of them. I also got Brussels sprouts, which I love to fry in bacon. Do you like Brussels sprouts? Yeah. You do? Shira says that these are a winner, so these are really, really delicious. The next thing that I got was some blueberries and some raspberries. I just use these for my little boy. He does paleo for my son. And then I use these, maybe a couple of berries in my heavy whipping cream as like a Saturday night treat. It is not a daily thing because food has sugar. Did you know that? The next thing I got a whole bunch of avocados, and I will use my avocado rotation system with those. Do you like avocados?
Yes.
They're the best. They're really good. And I'll put in the description link below my avocado rotation system. If you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and check out my website. Can you do Vanna? countessoflowcarb.com, and check out my daily blog for all things Countess. I also got the creamy organic peanut butter. This is not the most keto thing. 2 tablespoons is 4 net carbs, but it's a great easy snack to have for my son, but also if I just need a quick tablespoon of something, 1 tablespoon is 2 net carbs, 2 tablespoons is 4 net carbs. And then my best haul find, I was so excited, Shira. She literally heard me squeal when I found it. Is this Sir Kensington mayonnaise made with avocado oil. It is awesome. It was cheap. On Amazon, it was literally double the price, and it's made with avocado oil versus, say, Duke's mayonnaise from my Aldi hauls, where they have soybean oil, which is inflammatory and makes your joints swell, makes your body swell, so this is a better choice of having the avocado oil. And then the last thing I got was tomatoes. Now, some people will say this is a fruit, and that's a no-no on keto. I have these in unlimited quantities, but I smother it with olive oil. 1 tablespoon or so of it, and then add some goat cheese and some fresh basil. Do you like tomatoes?
Yeah.
Do you think that they're a fruit or a vegetable?
Vegetable.
I think we should make that the question of the day. What do we think the tomato is? Put in the comments below. Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? We'll have to see what the poll is, what people say. Over here, it's So here is all of my parcels. I packaged up the meat, the scallops, the shrimp, the chicken. It's all now easily freezable. This will last us the entire month, and when I need something, I just pull out the one bag of whatever it is that I happen to have. And if you haven't signed up for our free email list, it's down below, and also our daily blog, www.countessoflowcarb.com. Do you visit countessoflowcarb.com on a daily basis?
I do. I love it.
See you guys again soon. Bye. Thank you.